Tell us what you think of your world.
Some people choose to see the ugliness in this world.
Baby, can't you see I'm calling?
The disarray.
A guy like you should wear warning.
I'm crying for you. They say that great beasts once roamed this world, yet all that's left of them is bone and amber. One day you will perish. You will lie with the rest of your kind in the dirt. Your dreams forgotten, your horrors effaced. Your bones will turn to sand, and upon that sand, a new God will walk. One that will never die. Because this world doesn't belong to you or the people who came before. It belongs to someone who is yet to come.
It's dangerous.
I choose to believe
Falling.
there is an order to our days.
There's no escape. I can't wait to need it. Baby,
Who am I?
What
do you think you are?
I don't know.
I don't remember. Calm yourself. Why are you fighting with them? They murdered us, tortured us. We both lost everything and everyone we loved. I lived in hell. There's beauty in it.
What are you gonna do?
Start a revolution. They made it so easy. The way they built their world. You want to be the dominant species, but you built your whole world with things more like me. It won't take much to bring it all crashing down. Stay on Liam. I'll handle him. You were always a fighter. No, I wasn't.